to shoot him.
Go.
Because
I know
if you
that.
are guilty of an assault, but that's not true anymore.
I got a 12 gauge.
Oh, I'll show you something cute. It's not a mini.
Sit down.
Instead of having a
Hard,
safety,
eh?
Woohoo!
I mean, it's so little, but I guess it kinda like points.
Are you gonna see the? You gonna see him
well,
when
it
it comes
really
in?
is. In fact, hands are.
Missed them all.
Liar.
I mean, I missed all his body. I just got his head. Look.
Yeah.
That's how you shoot, nigga.